Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 5th of January 2024 and I'll be going over week 48 results for my front testing of the S&P 500 based on the option chain predictions. So for the week ending on the 13th the week ending on the 13th of December. Oh, this isn't right. Let me change that. Yes, sorry, I had changed this. So this is the prediction made on the 29th of December for the week ending on the 3rd of January. The S&P 500 opened at 5,920.67 and went up to 5,942.47, which gives us a loss of 21.8 points, since our prediction from the option chain was that the S&P 500 goes down, which is a 0.37% loss, bringing our cumulative P&L to 2.45%. S&P 500's weekly change, on the other hand, is negative 0.48%. So the cumulative return for SPX is 15.4%, and our alpha actually increased to negative 12.95%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.